Explore the refined features of the Redkey F10 3-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, designed to elevate your cleaning routine. Powerful 140 air-watt suction. The F10 provides robust suction power, effectively capturing dust and debris on both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Extended battery life. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning in standard mode, with 20 minutes of enhanced power for more demanding tasks. Dual filtration system. The F10 features a 3-layer washable filtration system, including a pre-motor HEPA filter and an exhaust filter, trapping dust, allergens, and fine particles to promote cleaner air quality and easy maintenance. Flexible tube. The foldable wand, equipped with a flexible join, enables seamless access under furniture and in tight spaces, eliminating the need to bend or kneel. LED floor head. Illuminate your path with built-in LED lights, revealing hidden dust and ensuring a spotless finish even in the darkest corners. 5 variable speed settings. Customize your cleaning with 5 adjustable suction speed settings, including an intelligent auto mode that optimizes performance based on detected dirt levels. Auto motor protection. The F10's advanced motor protection automatically reduces power if the vacuum becomes clogged or an item blocks suction, safeguarding the motor from overheating. Washable components. Maintain peak performance with a dustbin and filters that are easily removable and washable, ensuring long-lasting suction power. The Redkey F10, where power, protection, and precision come together for an effortless and thorough cleaning experience.